Mwache mwakwa baduba Coastal Television de Betan ya 514 ende ya yawda bosuma yene nada otodo oye edunu biakon edunu bien na aduma kwa dominante oduma kwa baade bebe totobosu otonsu obo ewia patakonje konje banobo ona onhwe nyimpanyi na waye na adona onhwe da obiba kanente mpo ansana wetutu na na waye na ejuma anepesu odenkona wonde da na hena ebusia na ndasiara na ankata sebade nyame na enda yewde anepe center focus yewudi ka yebi cheso yedemo enda anepe yebezin ka yakọ mampe na soye yakohwe nsama orokodu Sunday economic forum so kokra na mampe ayede nhihye ne dibu ga konum mandama akofom yefiwa yeboko GPRTU mpeyifo wona soye de ahentieden odo wateto nti wahye de memi no be na obeto ahentiede ne boko yakohwe wona kata ya wodi epe abanum yefuo na yaba ogwa fifi mantom na ogwa mensin asoye ni mpeyifo akaye exercise nkokra di kwanyas na exercise na ta wona wotena de okare komun we kutu woni nyina na Coastal Television aba pro kotokro dogo kotokro ba igwekase no yin abra igwenu yakọ aprobe yaboko ni akohwe nsema otere bansana yaba ife yebiti komokwa ni be ndaso nsu toto na obia nkomo na independent sanitation ambassadors wonso wo wode na hen yaboko na yeketebi olusu selma olusu fiwa nechi yareba oye doboka tena podo da obakan sa nda yewde no yetitini nwa meche front page no yedini na no yedi abraham ntebi so enyentina fitirembra kesibra no otwe obobo fankitikeku asoreba Kofi Esuman afi yese nsam na se Ghana Mampe Excellency John Dramani Mahama oyin na pompa fom penfa wonhwe no worobon mesikasam ntuti etum enya na de pete na pampe eyenti waye shede sonkokra no wada ehihye bi eta obohwe ma oye economy yewuni ejene nado ma akoye na ekese ya ehihye egwa apondo dendenden ma amampe yin penfu atenase wabopo no bin masem atugwa hihye papa obere da atugwa enkwankwa nsama amampe kai wo economic forum nase.
To join us here in Accra for this event. The forum continues to represent the deepening of ties between Ghana and the EU, not just as political allies or development partners, but as genuine collaborators in the shared quest for inclusive economic transformation, sustainable industrialization, and mutual prosperity. The EU remains one of Ghana's most important and consistent development and trade partners. Our collaboration has spanned several decades, covering critical sectors including infrastructure, agriculture, governance, health, and education. But more recently and crucially, we're witnessing a new chapter defined by trade, investments, innovation, and entrepreneurship. This business forum is a testament to our joint commitment to repositioning our relationship on a more sustainable and mutually beneficial commercial footing. Under my leadership, Ghana embarks on a new era of industrial diversification, youth employment, and green transformation. And the role of strategic investors and innovative partnerships will be indispensable in this journey. When this administration assumed office in early 2025, Ghana was emerging from a period of fiscal distress, high inflation, and declining investor confidence. We had to take urgent steps with the presentation of a budget to Parliament that made a steep adjustment in the primary balance from negative 3.9% of GDP to positive 1.5% of GDP by the end of this year. These bold and targeted interventions are beginning to witness the early signs of economic recovery and renewed momentum. In 2024, GDP growth stood at 5.7%, driven mainly by mining, construction, and service sectors. Trends in Bank of Ghana's high-frequency real sector indicators point to a sustained pickup in economic activity at the end of the first quarter of 2025. The updated Real Composite Index of Economic Activity, which is abbreviated CIEA, recorded an annual growth of 2.3% in March 2025 compared to a growth of 1.0% for the corresponding period of 2024. International trade activities credit to the private sector by banks and construction activities contributed to the improvement in economic activity during this period. Inflation, which peaked at 23.8% at the end of 2024, has begun to ease, falling to 21.2% in April 2025, largely due to moderation of both food and non-food inflation and prudent fiscal management. We're projecting to achieve single-digit inflation trajectory by middle of 2026. This will be underpinned by tighter monetary policy and complemented by fiscal consolidation and exchange rate stability. The Ghanaian cedi, which depreciated by 19.2% in 2024, has shown signs of recovery, appreciating by 3.9% against the US dollar by the end of April 2025. This has been supported by stronger forex inflows, improved trade balances, and growing investor confidence. Our gross international reserves have improved further from $8.98 billion in December 2024 to $10.6 billion by April 2025. This is equivalent to almost 5 months of import cover. This reflects enhanced export earnings, particularly from gold and non-traditional exports, as well as timely disbursements from our multilateral partners. Fiscal consolidation is underway. We reduced the fiscal deficits on commitment basis from 7.5% of GDP in 2024 to 6.4% in the first half of 2025. And we're on track to meet our 2025 target end year of 3.1% through expenditure rationalization, improved domestic revenue mobilization, and strong anti-corruption measures. These figures, though early in the year, are clear signs of a disciplined and inclusive economic recovery. In a world order that is changing from multilateral rules-based systems to unilateral and transactional relationships, we are proud of our partnership with the European Union. Our trade relationship with the European Union remains robust and mutually beneficial. According to the United Nations Comtrade database on international trade, in 2024, the EU imported approximately $3.25 billion worth of goods from Ghana and exported a total of $3.65 billion worth of goods to Ghana. It is worth mentioning overall that Ghana's total exports in 2024 reached a high of 294.9 billion Ghana cedis, which approximately stands at 20.4 billion US dollars. And Ghana recorded a trade surplus overall of 44.7 billion Ghana cedis. 3 commodities accounted for over 82% of our total exports, and these are gold at 163 billion Ghana cedis, mineral fuels and oil at 54.2 billion Ghana cedis, and cocoa and other related products at 28.6 billion Ghana cedis. In the first quarter of 2025, we've already recorded a 13% increase in non-traditional exports, such as processed foods, textiles, and shea butter, reflecting the positive impact of governments-backed industrial policies and renewed market access to the EU. My government's vision is to build a dynamic and resilient economy that creates jobs, adds value to our natural resources, and empowers small and medium enterprises to scale up globally. In pursuit of this vision, we've launched several key interventions, and the flagship of these interventions is the 24-hour economy initiative that is designed to incentivize round-the-clock production, particularly in agro-processing, pharmaceuticals, green energy, and digital services. Our National Apprenticeship and Skills Program aims at equipping our youth with industry-relevant skills for employment in modern manufacturing and services. The Mahama Care Program and our Primary Health Care Program, which will be rolled out soon, will seek to universalize access to quality health and social protection as a productivity enabler. And our broader agenda to position Ghana as a hub for renewable energy and climate-resilient infrastructure aligns with the EU's Global Gateway strategy. This forum presents us with a unique opportunity to unlock the synergies between European capital and Ghana's natural resource potential. The EU's experience in technology transfer, environmental standards, and precision manufacturing is a natural complement to Ghana's youthful population, abundant natural resources, and our strategic location in West Africa. The African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement opens up opportunities to reach a market of 1.3 billion people on the African continent with a combined GDP of more than $3 trillion. I invite EU investors to explore opportunities in the following areas. 1, in agro-industrial zones, integrated value chains for cocoa, cashew, shea nuts, spices and ginger, and vegetables, where EU expertise in food safety standards and packaging can add immediate value to Ghana's products. In renewable energy and green finance, with abundant sunlight and wind, Ghana is committed to becoming West Africa's green energy leader. And with our interconnection on the West African power pool, such power can be utilized domestically or exported to our neighboring countries. The third is the pharmaceutical industry to produce medicines and vaccines for both domestic use and for export to other African markets. Next is digital infrastructure and innovation. Ghana's ICT and fintech sectors are growing rapidly with increased demand for digital public services and data infrastructure. Transport and connectivity, from rail and inland ports to smart city infrastructure, we welcome European investment to support Ghana's regional integration efforts under the African Continental Free Trade Area. I assure all potential partners that under this administration, Ghana is committed to transparent governance, policy predictability, and a reformed business environment. We're restoring confidence in our public procurement systems, enforcing contract sanctity, and protecting investor rights under both domestic and international legal regimes. Excellencies, distinguished guests, let us move beyond dialogue to implementation. Let this forum serve as a platform to launch new partnerships, to create decent jobs, and to transform industry. This government stands ready to work with the EU Commission and its member states to harmonize standards, resolve trade bottlenecks, and foster innovation-led growth. We also wish to encourage institutional linkages between our academic institutions, innovation hubs, and business accelerators. The future belongs to those who innovate, collaborate, and invest in shared prosperity. As we open this forum today, let us reaffirm our shared value of partnership, innovation, and inclusive growth. Let us turn our economic challenges into opportunities for resilience. Let us forge a new legacy not just of aid or diplomacy, but of productive enterprise, mutual respect, and common progress. Together, we can build a future where Ghanaian ingenuity and European excellence light the way for our mutual sustainable development. I have the honor and privilege to declare the EU-Ghana Business Forum duly opened. I thank you and I wish you fruitful deliberations.
Charles Razali, Ambassador of the European Union.
It's a Michigan or my places, John Dramani Mahama, now Wapa, Africa Economic Forum, Wapa, Watam, the Numun, some or the Atugan. Young call in some fufu, one some fufu, Ghana Private Road Association with some authority, with GPRT or what one some Abatuga actually there. And they when you name your number, one so would the Ayankafo, when you go with the Katai Adogodo, actually there, Obia Dama, a Kunina, there, Obapa, Junazibi, and also Obaya na Watso, Ayan Watso, into Katai, road transport operators, and that's a GPRT on Cotin. GPRT who can cheerful pay assigning no necessary the Maya and Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council. One so one paying no so of this secretary. What tell me the member all be and what they them I think the name so them what the Baba Abotuga. Now why is she shed fair wo oya bono and then bia na se ehwe kataya odemia central wateto do no ebinu oya taxes no other than no wateto efido extra city petrol enoye intercity long distance ni na no wa ye hu edwuma na ma se kataya odabi ono chebe se ebi ababi ewo no se no fund that waji oye 16 Ghana cedi na 15% what for no 15% no wo oye 16 Ghana cedi 15% no go to 14 Ghana cedi into shaman so the ma and say baby econo yam fund that waji 65 Ghana cedi and now 70 Ghana cedi ebusua 14% so 15% no so we do 20 Ghana cedi ibotua oye 59.5 the mara no we do 60 Ghana cedi no so ibotua 51 cedis it's yes so meaning na yin me adama me nda na GPRTU ina onye Ghana Road Transport Corporation Council Cooperating Council no what one is say what the Abotugwa nti ono na no pay Coastal Television nyanso ya wo oyeda press conference we yeni na no yetere ma hono edusua yemfi ono no do na yanko nsamfufum wan samfufum no na mpanyimfo a wada ogwamensinya no meche Honorable Justice George Atta ayini payfo akwaprabo wo abrogwa kase ena onye kotokodo bukase mede ebe ebushafo wa ye bi oye wa tona adwo oye kai kwe ma cha dodo na oye dare no wosi oye igwakase wo de ma na wotona adwo kar kwanum nti aka di congestion exercise na Coastal Television yakoba apo wa abrogwa kase num anada enwibir yare hwede za abarka chepe ni kaye no na oteden ebushafo konkohwe bi
so go free na baby we been super na we tum na boy on up na sisa we tum we it's you are using the we go ya za obo ma ze na fi we tum na wa ba happy no baby je acknowledgement ti bia na di sibiara on so photo biara aba ma ze na fi we tum no we ye ti bia me na me ncho very difficult there we to happen able to nefe afa so the economy na ayama the Our mother nephew were to now walk home. But Obasa which you were to now walk. All French have a broken doing from Ukraine. Nephew would be away with us. A mama's a nephew. On two no man. All silence. Nephew somewhere. Congestion or ISIS for over here. And even the high now. I know what I'm going to therefore, I am metropolitan. 4 years. So, no more than I do now. I mean, what to know what to know. So, I use some there. I want to my Therefore, to me, water. Or to walk a while. Oh, man, now, yeah. One day, but no good to me now. This I have found the minimum and kind of into and none to her. No, to me now could be better. It's like I want to know why. Well, you see, what the task that, yeah, what the home could be. Over was the nephew, what to me now walk. Now, I want to know what's up with you. I'm take your pavement line and then so first surprise to see aha. Yeah, about that half station or to and the campus metropolitan assembly, which made our babies. And in Sinaisha, and the station at first is that it's on two non to them. It's the area there, once you say I want to know that baby book. Ababa, Yaku, a hand and son into no on Chiribium. Into the Lord Mayor, I am painful. Abba would tell him that I walk on him. Man, the first party, Abra say, Yaza, ever to the aha to my less visit them. So the Doma or Hano to Modosa. I have a midday, your academic station. And so I can't say, Abba, a high piece of a papa, or Bukra or Sana. A band it's a papa, but all mother to Western. Pragia, now I have double to nephew, Etmesa, but and I mean, I think what measure to sustainability is very, very important. So I'm band there, wherever by say, be nephew to Mojeza. Nano, a bubble when about the dead measure to my and I then print the water was sitting on some which you want to one baby natural on to no on what. It's a best sound was baby meeting in Yabia and Kano and Baby Jina, Butum Nejina. But then a baby in a car came on Carlo Beno to Muzugodo, or more quan if you to me. In town, our pavement in the word to my here to walk with you. My on your lane now. I am blog a water motor. Basically, so maybe I don't know now. HRS, I want to know, you know. Sir, we John the Mara, no one saw which one to baby Mazar. Not the most but some people one another. Another what to know our boy. No one be there, we are just a 2 minute area. It's a yesterday. It's a first pound. It's a button if a baby now, never 2 minutes to Woodman. And I don't say that. It's a young share the system. And I'm going to work to know. Yaza, Obasa, Honechi, nephew, what to me now, Waba, and there was some which I bet now a car. I was on the word to be a and a pa. I had to mad the home in Bridge said them so. I also to mad the Hoza. No, not to Rabba, Mom be away also to point out. And the anxious are watching work it. The Obama wasn't if you were to know the Mudima.
It's a shuffle, Anyankafo, Nahintiafo, na egudifo wona wudi gwana hona so ye wudi meka sai be samu da inde yamina domara wa makwana makwana dem ma adwumedin orokodo wa wan ahwan kasa so a we drivers wona kasa so a obafo karo na ahwanara wotune de baro oye adogo kesin won so awon so ebe na asam na wo kan na zawo aban ka chi pe na ni pe fu be yi another asem ni be ye no ebe no mbo na odre bo won na won so ni so be that za won so kan ni bi
Ojana pa kwan wona woman kofo park nyama woti se nyama wodi kwan ma ka nya kwan ono no ohowade na praga funu so won hwe won kan wansam no de ohowade woti papa in the way there baby an wo chen won baby an there o twa you 10 ni na won ne imbi je obeye ati aha da akaka ama traffic no full hey
I'm wasn't surprised that some number I traffic and so fast in in fact, my Nippon, baby, Fakama. I get one more had. Yeah, I'm also one the farmer. I have my Abraham.
Don't hear it. I can't them come. Ama, Obia, Chance the one. I'm not happy for the company. I'm not Abra. Oh, you want a friend, Martin?
That's it.
You too. Ma, says one more point. As a mission that. See, you don't hold ya. Now, I'm one on that one. Now, hold you up.
It's another Coastal Television program. You come on or Abra Ugukasin na yara saying Ashafo na native for the Wakotokoma market a proba Yakobo yentu nyamfa no fe nyamfa ndo na me popomino yedinu fe na no komotwetwe aso yede botwe hondo edusoyen fensi na yenda yamba yaba de ubakata ya abakansa and ya da ne peso yedini na da che hondo yankom na sisi a
Hello, this is the Cell Gift Shop. We deal in handbags, ladies' bags, we deal in perfumes, and this is one of the bags I have, tote bag. This is from the US. It's very affordable, leather quality. We also have different perfumes, ladies and for men. They come in different brands and also very affordable. We also have Victoria's Secret, original Victoria's Secrets from the US. We have affordable gifts already made for various occasions, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, anything you want to, any gift you want to do. We have GTP cloth as well for all occasions. When you come to the Cell shop, we also have lunch bags, school bags for kids of all ages. We also have this beautiful customized birthday shirt for children. So when you want some, it's available. We have different tops, cartoon characters for children also. We also have men's underwears, this Harrison singlet as well, and then we have boxer shorts, different types, different sizes, and in different companies. It's a nice cute bag for kids, for church. They can take it to parties and all. It's all available at the sales shop. So when it comes to catering, we have these shafting dishes and then this dispenser for rentals. We take food orders for different occasions, weddings, engagements, birthday parties. So we have these also for rentals, and then we take food orders as well. We have these engagement boxes for sale. We also take orders. We do engagement wrappings. We can do it for you. It's available at the Cell Gift Shop. So when you come to the Cell Gift Shop, that's not all we do. We do wedding decos, card decos. We have hampers. We make hampers. We take food orders. We do drinks, sobolo, watermelon juice. Anything you want, we will be able to do it for you. We can help you plan your wedding, plan your engagement, how to make the design. We will do everything for you. The Cell Gift Shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Ebusia mo akwada bio mo atena se from the Coastal Television no de time or 514 damara na Ewbo TV da ono de or channel 54. Yes I na mo wo sentebe de sentogas no de boss nga ono ewo channel 22 na Facebook live na YouTube so live am san we boko de oboka te na pod abakansa no you never ma tax benefits tax in there your one with some kokra tax benefits in there awoda no in that no see tax say baby we be ano ya mo awoda pa ebuso yam fa de oboka te abakansa na pod no ya fa nsa say na yekagire mu or David graphic de oboka te no or the Bank of Ghana governor no fe no da boto no na nchechere ndela da ba wayen economy no no pepe odatum nti waman ne Ghana from onye from mpa ebusia moti dare kotokun no mbabi nti da me na very graphic all ka da watechire ma nsamon ewie peye na record oboka tefofo na che daily analyst da the business analyst business analyst anano ode oye infeini kakra kanala na ode aboto fifi wo no show no oye Newmont sika wode eka wode oman Ghana meche oye 224 million Ghana cedi in a what the necessary which 174 million Ghana cedis what ama oye oman Ghana the musical na ofi achim mining sailing nimu sika choro wode ma Ghana no ono necessarily new montefo we kutua ma ndey the bokat business analyst watch the pay no na the bokat kat any finfino ni nufe ina oda wona e no woni na wona fotin ay be bru no no what them miners commission minerals commission na wafa oye gata woro kobo hinu sunu ban wo oye atwaye mantom baka mantom no ena gat no wapam gat koko aha anan edunum ibasa 453 gats ena wapam wo kobo nsunu ban nata woko na unye biala yefo bayaw bayaw wagide kegelum say wo esutin obda oye baka mantom nyane nyada wode the chokra nti ono na business analyst wa kwatwi pay the minimum salary yadini mo na Bank of Ghana governor na no feri no oda our business analyst no so wono onu cheme si se si no ahodi na bega si di jene na do peti na pan paper no so no asam na oda benosi the man no si no bokore mu the ma akwabu ni kakeba sana si di no wa pe bebi na wa ko akatena na Dr. Gordon Gideon Buako ina no osi se sidi media ya fa credit no ya fa na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia osama ne hihye papa yen afi abasene kwan nusunsu an yi hu na damina business analyst oye Dr. Gideon Buako ono na asam ina orekan ono yin ebiso yefi onodo na ye ko oye press reporter de ni fe no ada be no odoso papa nemum akwa na ode yim press reporter mo de yim a ode akwa papa bomi de Africa Lion ena wa pawotam wo oye tamale wo hihye sonkwa wo de bobaade no press reporter we ye pay na ehwemfiri no oda wona ni wona payfa asojafo na policefo ena nimu oye ahemfa wo tamale nanu na waka nwabem bedumede sonkwa terem etuma ada the new republic ono odimami tokuno ni ferinda abato na mo kan de na busuafo na wonzi beni ma mi tokuno ni ferin odo mo kan na busuafo wonzi dem na ebusuafo no so won tase kra de ndeme bi wa enche de bi mpemfo woni na mantutuye na so ma me wa suspend nze ebusuya was won omampe nyi nyadwen na body oye opemina metre national insurance opemina wobere trumpo na wahye no wan famfiri na memum nemum wasi pefa ya manyi na mambre na wadabenti akashe ni bofonsa ono na owon dan na mampe no wa va wo de obatak akra fraden serious pa de yehu dem akra nda usei adecha usei no ebokubi ene wacho sande wo betakam zanzanzanzan ko oba fodo me nsun boni me biafa manka banda ibi wa block no be fodo mo kwano do papa na wehu za owo kodo bi ko yase sisa Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly we no kanete wa no butubutu aba na ni nsamade akawanu sunu sam ena de boka tai oye the new republic so or the abato asowano the inside the boka tai the abade amapendo da mani mama ena wada oye aban wa sebe na watun abane de pedi bia watun toni bia no wodin sa boto no wa hwetu wana na wode ye da tie no makwan ma nkofo fa abane de pedi bia ntini fayin ena oda oye the inside the boka tani mu wati owura Professor Amoyo Ekunfi ni fayin odabato sky training ni fayin 2 million Ghana cedis sky train sikan wahin sikan akafa baby enti wadi prepare wadin ekenya asembia na Professor Amoyo Ekunfi that to go no koi no one fun so sampara na so bono wadin na wakekenya asembia na we to try no when sembia wadi atunodo Christian Divine Church na one so no munsam tuma or nobody amina mabaya amina da me of being amina da me bishop amina da me secretary amina da so no be semensa no munsam abedi ja Christian Divine Church asono ena no nsema da wori fayin mpefun fayin ena wada aboto or some trophy shema weye na the insight we ka tenu odi bi odi aba eruso yakwada chronicle the book atenu man na justice Tokuno ni case wakoni mara but no dem say the chronicle no see mamen we see oil attorney general papa no onye nkofu bia waka ho eda denti na wesu no were be nipo na wesu no so no nsam no ehwa ebon equal group equal group no CEO no award on doctorate degree no fayin na other so wono na agada na yesabe demfi won sika nchai agada hwidi no nsam no de boka te the chronicle odnafo bi da bebe agada na also oye Empress Gifty were over 200 million lawsuit ayo nti no so no nsama odi abotowen enyo nti agada odi Empress Gifty odi ekedina ore assembly bia ore jidam ore 200 million Ghana cedi odi efe no ho na ye de boka technical social na no wo sabaka daily guide de boka technical abade na me see the Tokuno ni suit no we see our government over suspension nsabru maadin asana critical it's a daily guide no osi mamen we see aban wo oil suspension na was suspension no on sun feina odi abato no oba president the man ma me feina de ho na mo kan be car gift nkofo we kanu osi bibiara adedana akorum na bolibia no nhu we kala what be che no so far oshe asase na no gude ni babia de Lands Commission na no so odi minister no odi ne directions and directive odi and Lands Commission won shia all be we na mandama okoye ni feyin na odi aboto e shia se Judges be na wawo akaba sam ma akaba na de oda wo bomazem na wo ni di nsam ma nsam no okuye den ono sunu fanyin na owodun adanta flag no victims wona wo wi no no payfo wada wonta senti wadin mun nsam no wadin mun nsam ko ma aban ma abane to no manam wo bela odbo bon odi abon na mfeyi bi da oye de boka tai daily guide na so oya bebe mpeyfuno odukojen aboniti University Senior Staff Association no we be indefinite strike universities Senior Staff Association we be indefinite strike until said no we could no one could ma Coastal Television butuana ma dem daily guide de odaboto dem university mpeyfuno wa call off or wa call strike papa indefinite and I know today mo akoma to him ansa no baba wa ba no bia de kabia unti kura nti asama do be katai daily guide or the awobagin o wa sabi de mfi na wa challenge Dr. Mahmoud Bagere hey dog man ka fa mbakwa da wo na mesi bi no wa kofo David wa do wetwem kwa wa bona memba ebe bi abana bona bi ono na nda mesi bi akofo nya abana papa abama wa betu na mabusu e ba senteba elo de nti owi asemi de mfi ne mfanyin na odi abatu the Daily Democrat ne nti owi asemi de mfi na on Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia nkano amampanyezi echi wodi mfin abatu na asemi de mfi na asema wa kan de ma otitibi oda wo oye nkano amampanyezi echi Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia se etefu baka anada na de maso na de deja o social media be Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia ono osi ono ni tishio ye no 2024 na wa reflect 2025 na sabi de no it's a the Daily Democrat the Democrat no nsema oti abem the citizen the Democrat no de oti oye ifeyi bi abatwa inyani wura obere owura amakofibu a na osi more new we knew Jato's contract government advice into no certain summer or 246 Ikofa wo asantimen and associated when hepatitis and hepatitis B no Dr. Payin in a reading seminar or the Abotuga were the citizen the worker telling Metroness the worker telling the National Health Insurance Authority Kwanchefu Pena Adano na Osi quality healthcare National Health Insurance were committed. Yes. Were committed into Metroless the worker telling na Abotuga Dr. Victor Asari Bampo ono na health insurance boss na other the mentioning Abotuga were Metroless the worker telling no na see the performance Omanpenton Dramani Mahama or the Abotuga no Obisu or Chanagan Dr. Gideon Bwako Nymphina or that's one my Dr. Gideon Bwako or kind there Sidina the working yellow or near ABC for when I remember the B or Dr. Alhaj Mudu Bamia Nishia or Yano on an Adomarakwa Adomadamon Mendagan Sicily Sidino Ebegina Bebia Ojina you you feel on another. Now, young called Daily Banner, the worker turning from the Beno, or if your papa, or the other MPP, General Secretary, Justice Andrews Sukobia, KFC, nothing, now, other one, now, Moroccan there. I don't shine the MPP, but General, the papa, Justin Kobia, also, I don't know, Shadow Wine. The MD Samayokun, the Generado, ma Abba Bear, 2028, Wakabatwa, Nata, MD Samayokun, Janada Bear, Ubizukin, Nymphine, and Ode Abato, the Honum. 120 days of my pain, no performance, no, before the Naba, the Papa, on Ode, Oye, Opeybi, Nymphine, Ode Abato, positive performance. Oye amampin na mimba odobe wo deni banano edu so the hawk the worker teno ono ma odi abaye be na nawa clear oye Alfred Mohammed wo nimun sama odi botugwa no usambe nsam ayewa okodo wo oye Zete Fula de Sudan Bakaya, Garim Seven Sama, watching the bear, Dam Alfred Mohammed, Ono, Ena, Odi, Oye, Garim Senuga, Moaka Bembe, Oya Mampini Lupo, in a Udi Garim Senugano, on the Cicely, Narawan Payful, Wabana Wabakle, Oye, Alfred Mahama, Nifin, Ena, Odi Abato Showano. Daily Post, the Baka Tedoso. Or the Infini Biaba, na on Infina the Benu Bank of Ghana, Quanchefu Paying Fina, that's one. Now, Asama, Magana for one panic a cry. Oh, so one come up on 2 million, the Sidina, oh, the Sidina Dana, about Compo, about from Patson, Mempeda, who suddenly shake back with him, what they to in Zama. On also, and what you are baby, nothing about 2 fefe, the Rabana other kind of city come back. As a city, Saturday, to my new day, as a more kind of when you know when you didn't see all the so not to suffer city there on Sunday. Now, Daily Post, National, what a man who took on nothing about 2, but what kind of Supreme Court, no one dismisses suit. Against reverse what the reverse or suspension what the Supreme Court Supreme Court 1 over 4 4 over 1 4 over 1 until you talk na uji tum there ma was suspended na ipa ni low on fantension to abegu won sama what the Ghanaian Times the worker tell na hey, asomia wada be another home. But what question call adawo ho. ana kwashekwa wo ayo that will be in our urgent abotu wede kwashekwa na wo papa na say ka kwashekwa no wasama kwashekwa ba amanu danim nyamba bakra ana wo bibia anyambe afi papa na fi papa odokuru ebien 92 years papa na we discover aye kwashekwa na so mbembe ya kwashekwa ona wo ho obi baka de kwashekwa oko na so that payini na asame de kwashekwa ona wa wo ntawefo nya ahweye na mafom we didi woni ndem ni dira wode mo hono wonhwe na wonya yefun popoepa edema sebua na la otini na wudi ma oboni bia obobbo ni di banka kakra ha ma okawon na otidam abufo da ni fa popoepa popoepa na tantama ni tiri ayepochi yare kwashekwa nti damina that payini no so odi abotugwa wo oye the Ghanaian Times the Ubo Katenum. It is the new trust the Ubo Katena. New trust the Ubo Katena. My other kind there. Interventions are be in the NPP and Manukun what to go first quarter 2025 into there. Sesibino will be jumping pendia mata or NPP and Manukun Mutumina where Dr. Razak Kodo Opoku Onana. Oraka dam asama otidamono Section News so obeno man me talk was suspended wa file suit against Supreme Court Nusumpo was the Supreme Court na so court CJ Tokro file suit at Supreme Court into now so wa ka file assemble wo Supreme Court wo no suspension nti nsamano o bibia all for the 50 Section News ano ba odebe you know Section News the oya ko si platinum for the atwo na so men kan be Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia has no right to lecture us on the CD agwezi platinum asamen also Dr. Mahmoud Bamia oyu ko ya ba chende the CD nwodu na abenimu na odo che wankire yesi bi kasen san bi kasen san inde wa be fuma onkana nuntum mama ombana omewenti da me na nkosi plat ole kan wo ye Section News nim na odi abobadi erusua yako ole the daily searchlight the boka tena odi yana ma mi toko no feyin akoda so wo na akoda finfin fe na so what na no Supreme Court wa dismiss my name suit ole no suspension na reverse ano wa dismissing nemo ma wo finfin de ma wo kan de historic na ndema obisi wo ole hene ma mi tokuno na suspension mu no oyo hu osande nsema bi prepare oyira nanche wa mudwe swara damna oye the daily searchlight odi aba the overseer the boka teno no so odi oye swafa ohwe do ben samudo meche onobe for so chini friend abato also no fees stress no fees stress nti abatam onka happen to you over 41,000 students will complete registration of so kwache more kayen over 41,000 nata when I go invest this year na no yada when school fees ya kan admission fee no yada obetua nipa invest no person ode hu sika ode amon edusua membe no ko membe na ya be me minjire be na mfa se sonko mfa ma oye awo hwe hinna bibi hwe yin fi wo oye digital no do digital 514 ana so hwe yin fi Go TV wo oye takwadi kosimintim efien kwanta kodo krom shama na onye no kwado ni na no ede ho nyina ase da mara ye ba ye fifi manto brother commander kisi edna bantuma na onye edna ampenyi boyima ho nyina no ye da homase papa na ye fo ye asifosu asifosu ye da homase papa da onso wa de digital no atum abodunko eno no kwado ni na no ye da homase mankesim short porn apam na yiwi ne bakasofo won so yɛde wasewo papa ɛma umma ne hwɛ na keko sahade CCTV na UCC yɛde wo nyina ase da deketa no so ayɛ no mo wa no ho umbo na hwɛ papa yɛde ho ase afei yɛmbe fie na yɛmbe da ɔyɛ technical director survey professor Emmanuel Kwamna Bafoje yɛmbe na ase na yɛmma no mbo de adwuma wɔ konsonko a ɔnyɛ no modo Michael na Francis ane pe mbo de adwuma nsu tonya wonam mbo ma yade yɛde ho ase papa nti busua aha na bɛma wɔn kwan ma mede ɔyɛ center focus mede besi from kitikeku aso ba Kofi Esuma ane pe mebe mo acho
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it dough just to feed my own. I go do it all.
They say where there is earth, there is life. But for one man, earth is more than just life. It is a legacy, a livelihood, and a lesson in resilience.
Good afternoon, it's saying.
Oh, Nyankopon adom me ho ye pa o hema.
Bache from saying.
Bache your friend Richmond oben ye boa.
Okay, Richmond. Na wudi eduane wa yewa mo.
Mpacha me didi wa asanka mu pa.
Asanka mu.
Ebra na mi so nyina ayewa mu ana na mi didi ntimi de me pe ayewa mu didi mu pa.
Oh, I see. Today eduane na wudi wa yewa mo.
Eduane a mi di na ayewa mu amani jipa efufu.
I didn't know pe asanka mu eduane.
De enti a me pe asanka mu aduane ne se eduane ma mienu so. Se ye nyina ye behwe aduane gu asanka mu ana se apetayiwa mu a. Ema aduane ne ya akọ no de edi kan. Na de toso mienu nso ba ma so de udidi e wo se wo hwe nkwan. Enti se aduane ne ye yiwu entoa mienu na se nkwan no gu ho na enam gu so a. In fact, I say ya akọ no nti uti ho a utimi di efili.
We know that, back in the past, people used to use ayowa a lot or asanka a lot to eat, but nowadays with modern trends, people are using ceramic bowls and plastic bowls and the like. What would you say to people who do not prefer asanka and prefer ceramic bowls and plastic bowls to eat in?
Okay, from my point of view, I think it should be natural. You should prefer eating in asanka than rather the ceramic bowls.
On say, if you ask the obiane de ope, but me and Casadia, me banner the fufu ato. Bo mukra meyi afrim e de aba ayom enti mimi say me yere na di kama na ehun say me de bo ne sa ne ma ne de mu adidie de me mpe e bia aduane bi say ampesie bi di a eguma me ni problem na say aduane enkwan won hu say fufu a menya tag matretre me twa me fufu adidie me pe na yuam
enti because I attractive and enti na wo pese wo use ayiwa na na
no ye number 1 and ayiwa no so me hu say udidi ma emfa yare bi amro.
Okay. Then I'll be catching call for or feel say asanka na e bibi e fimbi nti won't mean didi e wo fie. Then I'll be catch them.
They me catch am ne say asanka ne ye nyina ya gitum say tete. Na nananum yusu. E twa na omunyini che. And now Roberts na aba ye didim no. Nsunsanso bebre na wom. And now ye say ye call Western culture. Utimu say niema bi wo ho na ye ya emwayen tete na ensu ana ye nananom emianum wo fie okwa egukulam eno na ye de netie na ye netie kro ya na de ya asanka Into Kona Sabino, my one who's a one monsieur, but sachet waters ya by typhoid near the day and one at the Maya. And Tina Nanama no Mudidia Sankamua, now Munum Kula Munsu near Hinamunsuno, Utumus and name or Munini Chanel Boamo.
I'll tell them to now patronize the Asanka because it's healthier and it's less expensive. So I will encourage them to be buying the Asanka rather than the ceramics and the others.
The same thing as my sister said. They should patronize that one rather than the ceramic and the plastic ones because it's healthy. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So you heard them. It's good to go for the Asanka or Ayoa as others will call it. It's healthier. And of course, once you plate the food in it, it looks so attractive. So what's not to like about Asanka? Try one now.
This be me, Kobe, aka Kobe Boga, KB for short. And this is my sweetheart, Obahima. Today, I get big surprise for her. Charlie, gone are the days I couldn't spoil my girl. Now I'm engaged to the woman of my dreams. Don't just look at my success. To get here, I had to follow the process. Out of nowhere, I lost my job. But I believe in humble beginnings. I got an idea that I knew I could grow. I started from a small setup, then invested in growing my own coconuts. I then grew my product lines. Now, I sell to many supermarkets in the country. Fellow young Ghanaians, trust the process and keep hope alive.
Take advantage of agri-business through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
Graduate, and I can one Kosa TV 514. You down Obu Asama Obu no I be able to crack. Nemo Sanjoda and I walla I kill. Thank you.